We all want to be heroes, but landing your dream job in the creative industry is one of the hardest things you can accomplish. Hi, my name is Marko Pfann and I'm a business advisor for creative studios and tech companies. In a word, I help people to get out of their competitive rat race. Throughout my career, I've collaborated with several brands and I've helped to launch 60+ TV stations around the world. Today, I work with creative studios and agencies in the fields of film, graphic design, visual effects, and branding to find and win their dream clients. We're defined by the choices we make, and getting that dream job is everyone's goal. Yet sometimes the only thing we're lacking is to win the trust of the people we want to work for. The creative industry can be very tough. That's why I always tell people to win the client and not the creative pitch. To do that, you want to understand what studios are looking for and you need to develop a strategy to get there. But most importantly, you have to understand who you are. Challenging questions lead to new perspectives. In this Domestika course, you will learn strategies to find and land your dream job in the creative industry. In the final project, you will record your own pitch video that you can send out to top-notch studios. To start, I will teach you how to research your dream job, how to define it, and also how to find it. After that, I'll explain how to take charge of the interview and how to present your work. But more importantly, I'll teach you how to make an impression through your questions and not your answers. Then you learn how to close the interview and how to follow up in a proper way. You'll put everything you have learned into a pitch story and create a compelling video. Finally, I show you how to prepare your portfolio and overcome your fear of rejection by taking some action. By the end, you'll have all the tools you need to face a successful job interview from start to finish. To record your captivating speech, you only need your computer. This course is for anyone that's looking to land a dream job in the creative industry. Learn an out-of-the-box strategy to land your dream job in the creative industry. And dare to dream big. Let the hunt begin.